issues that matter the most to you, and I'll be honest, that matter the most to me, are not talked about.
Well, I've been discouraged for a long time. You know, I've been involved in these ideas for over 50 years, and up for 40 of them, I wasn't involved in politics because I was so disgusted with both parties because they weren't advancing these very things we were talking about. And then in 2003, I thought, well, maybe George Bush will advance some of these, because in his campaign, Bush 43, in his campaign, he touched on some of these. Well, maybe there's hope. And then by 2003, 3 years later, he was going the opposite way. He was one of the biggest spenders of all time, created more destructive regulations, along with the Fed, pumping all this money into housing to create this artificial boom, and then Bush pushing it, and Fannie and Freddie creating this whole corrupt system that then, when that fell apart, brought the whole economy down, and then getting us in counterproductive wars that made no sense to me at the time. So we said we got to oppose this.
Right.